Hey you! Today I'm going to talk to you about and show you some helpful things to keep in your car from personal experience. Here I am walking up to my car. The first thing I have are seat covers. I have invested in these to preserve the leather of my seats. I've heard different fabrics, even jeans over time, can wear at your seats and kind of deteriorate the leather. So I've invested in seat covers to keep them clean. I also have charger blocks and headphones as well as cables for each Samsung phones and iPhones just for any people who come in my car. Next I have a little multi-tool that has a blade, a screwdriver, a cork opener, a bottle opener, and even little scissors. Next I have a sunshade. This helps for those bright sunny days. It's got Ben Franklin on it. I thought that was pretty clever, so I will show you what it looks like with the sunshade applied. There it is, he looks great. Next, I keep a spare mask in my car just in case I ever need it. Also a bag with hand sanitizers, wipes, gloves in case you ever need it. Next, I keep a breathalyzer in my car. For anybody who drinks, this is a very worthwhile investment. Obviously, it's up to you to make the decision to not drive if you've been drinking, but it's definitely helpful if you've been out drinking with friends or whatever the case and you're not certain. You just blow into that piece there after turning it on and it will let you know your blood alcohol content. That is the Backtrack S80. Next, I've invested in some hooks for the back of my headrests, just to hang clothes on or whatever the case. In addition to that, I've invested in some buckle guards so that when they retract, they don't bang up the edge of your car door. Just keep things nice. I've got a Lexus. It comes with the first aid kit that's standard. Gloves, those are helpful to have in case you ever need them. Even a neon jacket in case you ever need it in those instances or emergencies. Next, a little rim brush to clean out the rims of your cars. In addition to that, an ice scraper in case you ever need it when it gets cold. Also, a compact or foldable bag in case you ever need that. Safety glasses if you're ever changing a tire, working with dangerous chemicals, whatever the case. And next, jumper cables, because you never know when you will need them or others will need them. They're just good to have on hand. Also, to keep and monitor my car's maintenance, tire pressure gauge. You simply undo the little cap on your tires, apply it, and then it tells you the PSI in your tires just so you have an idea if you do have a low tire or leaking tire. Make sure you put the cap back on. And with that, a tire tread depth gauge, which you should have an idea as to when you need new tires, but this will just give you the best idea in case you need to get your tires rotated or if one's wearing more than the other, so on and so forth. These have been some helpful things to keep in your car. I highly recommend them from personal experience as they will come in handy in the times when you need them most. Let's get started. The time is now.